It's June 29th, 2022. I'm gonna harvest some peas today. Actually, a lot of peas. And this is the harvest I did today from the peas. Can't even hold it with one hand. And it's July 1st, 2022. These broccolini flowers are ready to be harvested. And I also harvested a few more of the sweet peas. So yeah, this is the harvest I did today. And the pitcher plants, you can see this first pitcher has opened. You can see the water inside. Just gonna give you a closer look at the pitcher itself. And here's another pitcher that's gonna open pretty soon as well. Also, you can see the liquid inside. And there's actually a few more pitcher that's slowly forming, like that one over there. Here's another one that is forming. Also during the same week, I harvested some of the nasturtium flower and leaves and stuffed them with cheese and bacon. And this is the preparation I did for the sweet peas that is ready to be sauteed.